Welcome back to episode 2 of Business Words in Shona. Thank you very much for joining us again. If it is your first time, please do consider subscribing. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into today's business. Facility. Nzvimbo. Factory. Factory. This is a direct translation. Figures. Number or numeri. Finance. Mari. Well, finance can be used in two different ways that I know. There is this one of saying, where's the finance? Meaning, where's the money? Then there is the other way you can use it as in finance these things, which means Shona will be saying, badarai, isn't it? So, let's move on. Foreman. Foromani. Framework. Chimiro or mamiriro. Freight. Zvinhu. Goods. Zvinhu. Growth. Makuriro. Headquarters. Zimbabwe. High. Pamusoro. Higher. Pinzabasa. Hours. Hour. Import. Kuunza. Incentive. Kurudzira. Income. Mari. Income tax. Mutero wemari. Interest rate. Chimbadzo. Interview. Hurukuro. Inventory. Kuverenga. Job. Basa. Labor. Basa. Laborer. Mushandi. Lead. Tungamira. Lease. Kweretesa. Leave. Zororo. Letterhead. Musoro wetsamba. Liability. Mutoro. Loan. Chikwereti. chikwereti, log in, pinda, pinda, loss, kurasikirwa, kurasikirwa, low, pasi, pasi, lucrative, zvinobhadhara, zvinobhadhara, mailbox, bhokisi retsamba, bhokisi retsamba, manage. It is contextual, so it depends with the sentence where it is being used. But when we are saying manage, we might be saying ongorora, ongorora, management, vatungamiri, vatungamiri, manager, mutungamiri, mutungamiri, market, musika, musika, marketing, kushambadza, kushambadza, meeting, musangano, musangano, merchandise, zvinhu, zvinhu, merchant, mutengesi, mutengesi, money, mari, mari, negotiate, tauriranai, tauriranai, negotiation, nhaurirano, nhaurirano. This can also be translated to hurukuro, hurukuro, net, mambure, mambure, net worth, hupfumi, hupfumi, no win, zvisingakundike, zvisingakundike, notebook, bhuku repfupiso, bhuku repfupiso, notice, chiziviso, chiziviso, occupation, basa, basa, offer, chipo, chipo, office, kamuri yekushandira, kamuri yekushandira, offline. It's contextual as well. This will be translated to kusabatika, kusabatika, meaning he was offline. It means I was unable to reach that person. So in Shona, we might say haasi kubatika. Online, kubatika, kubatika. Open, kuvura, kuvura, or simply say vura, vura. Opportunity, mukana, mukana. Order, kutenga, kutenga, or just tenga, tenga, removing the KU there. Organization, company, company. Outgoing, zviri kubuda, zviri kubuda. Overdraft, yapfurikidza, yapfurikidza. Overhead, zvashandiswa, zvashandiswa. Overdraft, yapfurikidza, yapfurikidza. Owner, muridzi, muridzi. Thank you very much for joining us on this episode of Business Words in Shona. Do make sure to catch the next video as we are finishing up on business words.